Angel.B. Yes, I look a little different. I had some things done. No, I'm just kidding. I am her niece, and she did this lovely look on me today. So she's gonna show you, how to get this poppin' look. You can't, honey, you're not gonna look this good because this, you can't get this. You can't recreate this. But she's definitely gonna give you this look.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Plouise base. I'm gonna go ahead and pat that all over her lid. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the James Charles palette, and I'm going to use the shade 10%, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that into her crease and above the crease just a hair. Okay, so using the same palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Cola, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in her crease, and then I'm going to blend it out.
Perfect.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut her crease, and I'm using the Plouise base, and I'm going to cut her crease halfway. Okay, so using the same palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Cola once again, and I'm going to put that on her outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Skip, and I'm going to blend that with the color Cola. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this light purple shade that's in the Morphe 35B. I'm not sure the name of the colors. Okay, and this light like coral color that I'm using next, that's also in the 35B palette.
Perfect.
Okay, so now that I got all the colors down, I'm gonna go ahead and go back and forth between the colors and blend them. That way they all blend seamlessly. Okay, so to do her wing, I am gonna use a flat angle brush and the Plouise base. Okay, so now that I got the wing done, I'm gonna go ahead and just reverse the colors in the opposite direction. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of her face off camera and then I'll come back with the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that y'all enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.